Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can make background music using Suno. In order to do so, here we are in Suno.com, and the first thing we have here is we have a box where we can enter in our request. If we want to just keep it as simple as that, we can. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's just add background music. And if we wanted to keep it that simple, we could. But if you want to add to it, then you put a comma and then add your modifier. So I'm going to put minimal. So I want background music, but I want it to have a kind of minimal vibe. So let's go ahead and hit create on that. So you can see here that it's already started to create. And we have our two songs. Suno's always going to create two songs. And so here we have Headphones Phase. Headphones Please is the name of that. And that is, no, that's from before. That's from before. So here we go. Background music minimal. I'm going to hit create on that. And while that is creating, what I can do actually is from this other song, I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that on our Discord channel. So if you actually want to listen to the songs that we are creating today, then you can check out our Discord. And that is in the description. You will find our link tree there. Click on that and you will find our socials and you can join our Discord. So here back in Suno, we have our song now on its way. We're going to go ahead and hit play and give that a listen. So there you go. So just as we wanted to create some background music, and we did that with Glass Drift is the name of the song. Kind of cool. So as I said, I'm going to put that on the Discord. Check that out. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find our link tree. And there you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 as a new customer bonus. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.